Welcome to this English learning lesson. Today we are going to learn about 3 basic and very important time words in English. These words help us talk about events in the past, the present, and the future. The 3 words are today, yesterday, and tomorrow. Let me explain what each word means. Yesterday is the day that already passed. It is in the past. Today is the day happening right now. It is the present. Tomorrow is the day that comes after today. It has not happened yet. It is in the future. Here are simple sentence examples. I ate yesterday. This sentence uses the past tense. I eat today. This sentence uses the present tense. I eat tomorrow. This sentence uses the future tense. Notice how the verb changes depending on whether we use yesterday, today, or tomorrow. When we use yesterday, we use past tense. For example, I studied English yesterday. When we use today, we use present tense. For example, I study English today. When we use tomorrow, we use future tense. For example, I will study English tomorrow. Each time word connects to its own verb tense. Let me show you 2 more examples. She played football yesterday, she plays football today, and she will play football tomorrow. Also, she watched TV yesterday, she watches TV today, and she will watch TV tomorrow. You can use these time words with many different activities and sentences. Think about time as a cycle. Yesterday represents all past events. Today represents the present moment where you are right now. Tomorrow represents future plans and what will happen next. All 3 words help us describe where events happen on this time cycle. There are common verb patterns you should know. With yesterday we use was, did, or had. With today we use am, do, or have. With tomorrow we use will be, will do, or will have. These patterns help you form correct sentences when using yesterday, today, and tomorrow. Let me summarize what we learned. Yesterday refers to the past, today refers to the present, and tomorrow refers to the future. Always use past tense with yesterday. Always use present tense with today. Always use future tense with tomorrow. Practice using these 3 words in your daily English speaking. They are very useful and you will use them all the time.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.